What you should know about diabetes. There are many pieces of literature out there you can read to get a quick introduction on diabetes, but few are offering any helpful tips you can use to learn about or control the disease. If you need some easy and accurate tips and tactics relating to diabetes, please watch this video thoroughly. Diabetics are recommended to increase their intake of cinnamon as it's been shown in scientific studies to keep blood sugar from spiking during a meal. I love to add it to oatmeal or cereal, and I also bake banana muffins with at least 1 tablespoon of sugar each, so I know I'll get my recommended daily dose. Any exercise regimen for a diabetic who is looking to lose weight should include both cardiovascular exercises and weight training. Cardio is a great way to work up a sweat and burn fat. But, studies have shown that weight training also helps boost the metabolism and turn fat into muscle. When a child has diabetes, you need to ensure that everyone in their life is aware of the consequences of not adhering strictly to their new eating rules. If they go to their grandparents' house, ensure they know how important it is for the child to only receive healthy snacks. If you have diabetes, then alcohol is not your friend. Alcoholic drinks are full of sugar, and that will not help your blood sugar levels. A glass of wine has more sugar than hard liquor, and beer has less sugar than wine but more than liquor. If your doctor tells you that your diabetes pills aren't doing enough to keep your blood glucose levels in check, don't panic. You won't necessarily have to use needles, as insulin pens are now available that give you the dose you need without being painful. If you can't afford these pens, some pharmaceuticals have programs to assist you, like NeedyMeds. Diabetics don't have to give up that sweet tooth just because of their condition. There are many websites available that offer sugar-free recipes and ideas for cakes, cookies, and other sweet snacks. Grocery and health food stores also have sections especially arranged for sugar-free and diabetic sweets. If you have diabetes and also happen to have a sweet tooth, then do not despair. Many of the candies and treats that you enjoy so much have sugar-free alternatives on the market. This way you can satisfy your cravings without sacrificing or putting your health at great risk. Do not skip meals, especially breakfast. When you let too much time lapse between meals or skip a meal completely, you risk having your blood glucose levels drop too low. Diabetics who eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner without skipping any meals are much more likely to have normal glucose watchings. The odds here are great that you know more now than what you knew before, and that means that you're well on your way to managing this dangerous disease you have. Knowledge is most certainly power in any conceivable scenario, especially when dealing with diabetes. Use what you've learned here and fight this disease. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.